Iba kasi
Papa,
hindi
are you
makita.
scared of heights and the down and the water and the wolves? Oh. Mommy, I Papa said no.
Guys, hindi kasi makita masyado yung bunga. Oh. Yung bunga. Yung mga bunga. Tagulong dun sa ano. Kasi makapal
I'm
yung dahon.
planting this flag on the mountain I climb. Papa, are you good of this? Are you sure it's a fun idea, good Papa? How with me?
Yan si Papa. Oh.
Are you good, okay? Are you okay? Just be careful. Be careful. She got it, but
Baba, wala kukunin ko. Dali, baba muna, baba.
Get the mango.
Hindi to mango. Avocado.
Get the avocado. Be careful, this. Get back at me.
Oh, wag mo. Ibaba mo lang natin. Ibaba mo natin dun sa table. Oh, one na yun.
There's two. I get it.
Count mo
I
yun.
got it. I got it.
Mm-mm.
Wait. She not got it. Dude, I'm not this. Okay.
Oh, down. Down. Slowly. Yan.
Okay, that's two.
Not mango. Avocado. There's avocado.
Get the avocado. Are you feeling okay?
Yes. Oh. How many? How many avocado?
1, 2, 3. 3 mangoes, but
Avocado.
3 avocados. But this is scratch.
Okay.
That's 4 mangoes to go.
Avocado. Not mangoes.
It's far away. Papa, can you reach the mango over there to the free?
Not mango nga. Avocado.
Can you get the 2 avocados? You're not gonna make it. You can use this and then you get the avocados. You get the avocados, Papa. Get the 2 avocados and why you want a tree. It's so far away.
Yes.
It's very far away. I don't know how you can get Papa to make it. Papa, you got one!
Shh. Quiet, quiet.
Sorry.
Dugan yan.
Ah!
Shh. Quiet.
Sorry. I missed the kid. Oh,
May kuha pa ng mangga. Isa lang muna.
you cannot force it over.
No! Jeez, dalawa yun.
You want 2 mangoes? You want
No.
7.
Not mangoes nga. Avocado.
You want 2
Yes.
avocados?
Yes.
You want 2 avocados?
Yes.
There are 2 avocados lying on the tree.
Yes.
But how are we gonna get there?
Hmm.
I still got 1 wish. It won't be.
Hmm.
I don't know. It won't be. It's not this rich. Ooh, this. Be careful this. Well, that's a big one. That's a big stick. A big stick.
Yes. Oh. Ay, bagsak. No. Babait ka talaga pag ikimakulit.
Wabat. That's Wabat. That's. Okay.
Put mamaya, okay?
Okay. Papa, can. How?
Malaki siya, oh.
Well, bigger to me.
Lagay mo dun. Kung may bagsak, ha.
Okay.
Lagay mo dun.
I was big enough
Oh,
to
slowly.
10.
Slowly. Kung may bagsak.
Did it
Binabagsak
have
mo.
biscuit?
O, sige, kukuha ko. Biscuit. Dapat ito pala medyo ano-ano. Hindi kasi umano dito, oh. Pag pumasok siya dito.
Oh, we step on a walk.
May batang kumakain ng biscuit.
What?
Batang kumakain ng biscuit. Skyflakes.
Not the woods again. It's in this tree.
1, 2, 3. Oh, marami pa pala yan, oh. 1, 7, 8. Iba pa yung ano. Iba pa yung marami. Ayun. Marami pa. Ano makuha lahat. Yung iba kasi hindi kita. Dahil gawa ng ano. Gawa. Yun.
Mango in Spanish. What did it do?
Huwag mo na putulin yung biskuit. Ba't pinuputol-putol mo pa? Gutom ka ba? Ginutom ka?
Yeah.
Sakay sa bus? Hawakan mo, ha? Hawakan mo, ha? Ulog, ha? Okay. Yes. Ang malaki, oh. Oh, ayun yung ko sumama, oh. Nakadikit siya, oh. Ha? Ay, salamat. Ay, salamat at naabot mo. No? Makuha mo lahat, no? No, makuha mo lahat, no?
in the wall.
Mm.
Hey, Mom.
Hmm. Hmm? Dahil sa avocado, kahit bumabagyo, umuulan, kukunin. Marami pang simbunga dun sa taas eh. Nanulungkot yung asawa ko ng avocado. Hindi ko na maano kasi mababasa. Ha? Dahil sa avocado, bumalik kami ng Cavite para sa avocado. Nakauwi na kami kahapon, bumalik na ulit kami. Bumalik na naman ulit kami. Kahapon kasama ko si Kuya. Ngayon, ito naman, si Papa. Kahit na ulan, nangunguha ng avocado. Mabidyuhan kasi ng ano kasi mababasa ako. Ayan kasi. Napatilangan namin, hindi na natila. May mga mangga sa susunod ng mangga. Sino makuha nila lahat? Nilalaki pa naman buwan. Naano kasi yung ano eh. Mga makita. Yes. Ito na yun ang avocado.
Avocado?
Ay, avocado. Kung mayaman ka, hindi na namin kukunin yan. Hindi. No, don't be scared. Wait mo si mama ni papa. Wait lang. Ano makuha na lahat? Tumila ka na muna kasi ulan. Hanggang nakuha ng avocado. Mamaya ka na umulan. Kahit nauwi kami na ulan. Mamaya ka na umulan. Kasi nanguha yung asawa ko. Makita kasi makapal yung dahon. Yung mga naka-hide din pa na bunga. Hi! Wala din pa rin yung mga tumila ka muna, mamaya ka lang muna. Taas na lang nun. May mga ano, sama. May iba pa pala yun. May kasama, tas dun pa sa taas nun, no? Guys, okay siya. Nakaligyan siya. Ah, sige. Ha? Ano daw? Ano daw yung flashlight? Ang dami rin.
Higher, but not far.
Doon na! Pasok din. Ay, shit, nilabas pa. Mag-30 yan. Kapag din. 30 tayo. Sabi kong lagi. What do you call a gabok?
Dash.
Dash. Dito, dash.
Inside a mango. How could be no biggest number? Inside? Oh, I don't look up. Right at the side where you need a duck. I saw the duck of the kingdom.
Huh?
I saw a duck of the kingdom.
O, kunan mo.
Man. Okay, let's go. That's a big one. That's a.
Dito mo i-close up. Tapat mo dito. Dali.
Okay, that's enough.
No.
Did you know that's enough for the mangoes? Oh, wow, man. You might get hooligans.
Mango. Avocado.
You might get hooligan avocado on the table. Imagine you could do good.
Ano.
I love this avocado. Love this. You love DJ. You love this avocado, DJ?
No.
No?
No.
You need to eat this.
No.